So hello everyone, myself Piravrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Infosys off campus drive 2023. So they're hiring for the system engineer position. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding various off campus and also various preparation videos and also various technology related videos. Like we are uploading videos related to the various SQL concepts, and later we'll be discussing about various data science concepts as well, one by one. And also we are taking the mock interviews as well. It's absolutely free of cost. And also you can apply for the various off campus like IBM, Shell, Deloitte, and Global Logic, and Apple, ServiceNow, and all. And currently Shell is hiring for the position of graduate. It's a fresher hiring program through which they are hiring fresh graduates. So in a previous video we discussed, so if you missed this opportunity or you didn't watch that video, then I'll be sharing this link in the description of this video so that you will be able to apply for this position as well, because it is for any branch and it is for any batch. Especially you should be fresher or you should be having 0 to 1 year of experience, right? And actually it's a very good opportunity or great opportunity, so you must apply for this position as well. So now let's discuss about this Infosys off campus. So they're hiring for the Gurgaon location, but it is not exactly the for the Gurgaon location. If you see, they have mentioned as well, location of posting is subject to the business requirements. So based on that project or something, later during getting the offer letter and all, you will be able to know about the location and all based on the requirement. But they have to specify one location while posting the job in that portal, because it's all about the job ID and all, right? So they have to maintain their in their portal. So they're hiring for the system engineer position, and the work experience is needed is 0 years of experience. That means freshers can also apply, and they need the graduates. No need to do any post graduation and all. It is not mandatory, and freshers from any batch and any branch can do can apply, provided you should be having 0 to 1 year of experience. You should not have more than 2 years of experience actually, like, because this is for the entry level position, because this is for the system engineer. And if you know, in Infosys there is another high level position is after system engineer, it is senior system engineer, right? So it's a entry level position, and any batch candidate can apply, provided you should be ready to join Infosys with a very short notice period, right? And coming to the other things, like what are the skills and technologies needed for this specific position. So advanced concepts, understanding of at least one of the programming language is mandatory. Programming language in the sense like it may be Java or Python or any other like development programming language or the skill, right? Ability to contribute in medium or to complex tasks independently, so and so, and good understanding of software development life cycle or SDLC life cycle, and analytical abilities and all. And coming to the primary skills, so microservices, Spring Boot, and Java. So these are like various primary skills are needed. And if you see preferred skill, Java and all, right? So mostly they are looking for the people those who know Java, and if you know Python or something related to the Java or something, like, because Python and Java the concepts are same, right? If you have at least some basic idea about the Java, still it will like help you. And if you are interested for this position, simply click on the apply. You'll be able to apply. So it will take you to the career page where you can apply for this position. First you have to sign in, or if you are new then you can sign up. So I have logged in through my email address for a quick apply. So the first name is Helpful Techniques, and email ID and country code. So suppose I am choosing 91. Suppose I am choosing any mobile number randomly. Suppose this is their mobile number, suppose, and skills I can mention. Okay, I guess it is not 10 9. Okay, So suppose I am choosing Java. Okay, so if you see here Java, Java API, Java all, so they needed Java all, right? If you see here Java all, so you can select this stream or the skill set, and country India, and PAN number you can put your PAN number, and you can acknowledge, and then you can submit. So one good thing is that, like, you can check here the application status there in the portal once you apply. And once you have applied for the position, they will reach out to you for other positions as well, based on your profile or based on their requirements. And the system will approach you. The HRs will not call you, but the bots will be calling you. And if you are interested for some positions, then you can select and you can proceed further. Because I am telling, because it is all about my own personal experience. So you can do this thing, and it is a really very good thing actually. So this is all about the process or this position. So once your profile gets shortlisted, the system will approach you to know about your availabilities for the interviews and all, and they will schedule the interviews based on their panel availabilities and all, right? So if you have any doubt regarding this off campus, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. I'll definitely help you as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next off campus video.